Welcome back. As you know, we've ordered a new caravan. No secret, it's a Kokoda.
Yep.
We will explain why we've gone with Kokoda again. We're at the factory and we're here to see them build it. Yes, it's in the build at the moment, so we'll show you around and it's exciting, isn't it? All right, stay with us.
Yes.
So why did we go with Kokoda?
Because we're creatures of habit. No.
No. Well, we don't, just make it clear, we don't have any sponsorship. There's no official partnership between us and Kokoda at all. We just have this sense of belonging with the Kokoda community.
Yeah, we've run the Kokoda Facebook group for
As in the Kokoda Caravan owners.
Yes.
So it's independent of Kokoda. We've been doing that pretty much since its onset. We had our first Kokoda. Got our first Kokoda in 2015.
2015.
The group started in 2016. The Kokoda that we're selling now is a 2018, and then this one will be a 2024. So we obviously love the brand. There's such a great little. We've made so many friends. Great little community amongst the Kokoda. We call them Kokodians. And to be honest, we couldn't leave that.
No.
Like when we were deciding to sell this current van and get a new one, the thought went through our head, do we look around other brands? Obviously there's nothing holding us to Kokoda except that we have great friends.
Yeah.
And this group that we've created.
And friends all over Australia, because we've been all over Australia.
It's great because we meet Kokodians all over the country, and we get offers to stay in their backyard, in their driveways, come for dinner, meet for coffee. In every single state we've stayed.
Yep.
I mean, obviously those people would still be our friends, but our heart is with the Kokoda brand, even if there's no official ties there. So yeah,
that's the reason.
That's the reason. So this is at the Kokoda factory. This is just outside the factory. Inside, they've got about a dozen vans on the go. We were expecting to find our caravan like this. Just chassis. It's progressed much further than we thought. It's a very busy factory here. Over this side we've got all the vans that are waiting, all their cabinetry. This one here is ours. It looks big. It looks bigger than our little digger.
Hang on, I'll get comfortable.
Oh, you can't sit on it. You're going to go through it. Well, welcome to our new van. This is so much more progressed than what we expected, isn't it? We thought we were coming down to just a chassis. And yeah, it's well on the way. It's very exciting. So what it is it, Glenn?
What is it? It's XCore, which is 2 fiberglass sheets with insulation built into it. And
so no timber in the frame at all?
The walls come down and go in a groove.
And massive windows. Have a look at the size of that kitchen window.
The wiring goes through here.
Through the insulation, you found some wiring holes. We're still sussing out, so it's very exciting. We've come for another look today.
Yeah, another look today. See what they're up to.
This is a few days later.
I think it's going around the corner.
It's another van getting its Raptor coat. They don't do the checker plate anymore. They do that strong painting. All right, let's see if we can find ours.
Laying the vinyl there.
So as they progress in the queue, they go around the corner until they come out the door on the other side. So this is ours. It's had its Raptor coat. Since we were here a few days ago, it's now got windows, got hatches, windows, and lots of workmen inside. And something's going on the roof there, Glenn. Oh, that's the J-molds, is it? So you can see now there's one van in the production line behind us, and then there's a chassis behind that. And we're at the end of this line. When we go around to the next position in the queue, that's when there's someone under there doing plumbing, the inside doing electrical and fans. I'd say that's, well, the washing machine there has gone in, different layout to ours, but that must be all the electrical and plumbing stage before it goes around the corner. So it looks like we've got spare tyres and jerry cans to go on there, holders. There's a couple of fridges in the background. We've got our air conditioners here. It's a hive of activity. And then it's before quality control checking at the end. Strip lighting there, ceiling fans, more strip lighting up there. We can't go in, there's too many people in there. We're on our way to the Kokoda factory again. This is probably only 3 working days since we went last time. But I just thought we should mention that if you don't have the luxury of going to visit the factory, if you live further away, the standard procedure is that you get regular updates anyway. So we've been getting weekly, if not twice weekly, emails with photographs of the stage that it's at. So that would be really helpful if you are interstate or further away. But if you're close to Melbourne, you are welcome to visit the factory. You just need to notify them first so that a staff member can allocate time. You're not allowed in the factory without a staff member. Wear your vest and check out the build of your van. Looks like we've gone all the way around the corner in just a couple of days. We've gone around the corner, Glenn.
Yeah, gone around the corner.
They've got somebody under there doing something, and the toolbox has been put on. Yep. Right, we'll check this out, eh?
Yeah, inside our new Caravan.
We've got colours. We've got my mushroom lounge. We've got fawns and browns this time instead of greys for a change.
Yep.
But it's really coming together, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty fine.
Yeah.
For us.
And,
Us country folks.
yeah, we like the simple things, but we have to get used to this fancy stuff.
Yeah. We've got fans everywhere, lights
Lovely.
everywhere.
And look at the colour of these. It's not your standard. That's beautiful, isn't it? It's a brushed something. Yeah. Lovely.
And we've got Summer here to talk about the construction of the Caravan.
Yeah. So I'm from Kokoda, from the factory. You probably already know who I am if you've seen their videos before. So what Glenn and Vicky have decided to do is go with our XCore composite construction. So with the composite construction, it's fiberglass foam and fiberglass in different thicknesses around the entire circumference of the van. So the floor that we're standing on is 38 mil thick, quite a thick composite panel. The walls are 29 mil thick, and the roof is 35. So the benefits of having that thickness, number one, unlike there are brands where, and I won't mention who, but you can actually see daylight through the panel, it's that thin. That kind of defeats the purpose of having that good solid foam construction with the fiberglass sandwich. There are a few benefits to it. One, it's incredibly durable. This is one entire panel. This whole roof is one piece. The walls are all one piece. We then CNC cut them to perfectly fit this van. So you don't have any of those gaps or anything because it's all machine cut. In-house engineers design it. So everything's in-house. We're standing in the Kokoda factory right now. My office is just at the front of our site. It's 2 acres. So again, going beyond the strength, we've got the insulation properties are amazing. So in the middle of winter, you can walk around in the van and you don't need booties or socks on. You also have the heat, the radiant heat from outside not coming through and also not losing that heat. Same thing again with the cold, as I discussed with the cold feet on the floor. And one of the nice byproducts of having that great insulation is also sound dampening. Now, right now we're in a factory with all kinds of machines and tools going on around us. You can still hear it, but not to the same degree you would if it was our standard one-piece ply construction as well. So there's a few different reasons why it's great. Less chances of water ingress as well, and certainly you're not going to have that chance of wood rot in your panels because these panels don't rot. So I think you guys made a really great choice. One of the other changes that Vicky and Glenn are getting from their previous Kokoda, which they loved, this is a nice upgrade for them. We've got the metal-sided drawers. So these are actually very, very high-end quality drawers that we're putting in here. The reason being is these guys aren't the kind of people that are just staying on soft roads and caravan parks. They're going on corrugations. They're doing some hardcore traveling. So we need those to be really durable. So with the drawers sitting on the rails and not having the rails built into the side, we've now given them something that's going to be incredibly durable, that will withstand those corrugations, that's not going to fall off and fall apart. And it's soft close with the rectangular lock. So another feature upgrade they've got as well for what will be in our 2025 models coming out, so any orders from October onwards, is they've got the mood lighting and the overhead strip lighting up, which you'll see. Oh, they're not on or in, but there will be strip lighting up here as well, but this is your mood lighting below. So it's a really, really nice ambient light when you're camping, as opposed to the down lights that used to be in here that are bright blue and give you a headache.
So that was Tuesday when we saw the van, and just 2 days later, on Thursday, we got an email with pictures of our completed caravan. So it's very exciting. The email explains, though, that there's still a little bit more work to do. They've got their quality control checks to go through. They do a rigorous testing, and they do rainproofing, and they check all the appliances, and they obviously give it a good clean. So the next time we will see our van will probably be pickup time.
Well, we did come for a drive.
Yeah, it's a long time to book into Handover, so that's a bit disappointing. So when I said we got the email on the Thursday, what's the thumb? Just because you can.
Yeah.
We got the email on Thursday to say it was ready, but Handover is 2 weeks after that. They are so busy. So it meant that we've come for another drive, just to check out our finished van.
Yeah.
And we're actually sitting in it, we're checking out what will go in each cupboard and having a bit of fun. So we've got to wait another week to bring it home.
It's heaps of fun measuring cupboards.
Oh, it is, it's exciting. But knowing that we've paid for it, because you've got to pay for it before Handover.
Yeah.
It's our van, but we still can't have it. Never mind, it'll make the wait.
Just frustrating.
Yeah, it'll make the wait worthwhile. So when we come to visit the van in the factory, we bring a packed lunch because it's so far to come. So today, because the van's finished, we thought we'd eat our lunch in our new van.
And if you think that she films me eating all the time, you're pretty well right.
Yes.
Well, it's Handover day.
Woo! Yay!
They're not excited at all. Yeah, so we're just going to go through, show them some of the new features they're getting on their new Platoon XCore, which is like the airbags and some of the new tech that we've got in the vans. And then I'm going to send them on their way to go have an adventure. They don't even know where they're going yet.
We don't know. We'll wing it. But you guys aren't going to see inside. We're not going to show you because we're going to do that on our reveal video. So that'll be a wrap up for this video.
Yeah, that'll be a wrap.
Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed our trips down to the Kokoda factory.
Yep, and we've teased everybody.
Please like and subscribe. That would be great.
Yep.
Don't forget we've got our second channel, Happy Campers Australia 2. And apart from that, we'll see you on the road.
We'll see you on the road.
Bye.
Bye, guys.